Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get access to Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint without paying any money. It may not be the full version, but you're going to have enough of the application to do your normal schoolwork and whatever you need to do. So basically you just need to go to the outlook.live.com. I'll provide the link in the description below. Sorry for the voice. I've been out with COVID all week, so not feeling very well. But just go ahead and create a free account and just go through the process. It's gonna have you select an email. You're gonna do Outlook or Hotmail, and then once you're complete, you're going to load into your email. And then once you're in, just go ahead and click up here in the corner, left corner, and then select whichever app that you want to use. So if you're looking to use PowerPoint, but let me just show you that, you can click all apps here, or go to Office Suite over here. Here is where you can just upload. So if you have a document that you want to upload to edit, you can click upload. And let you upload your documents. If you click over here, you should be able to sorry about that. You'll see that you have about 5 gigabytes of storage. So I'd suggest that if you want to share something across the board, if you want to work on it, just keep it in here, and then wherever you log in, you'll have access to this document, and you won't have to worry about putting it on a thumb drive or whatever. But if you start running out of space, just store your documents on a thumb drive or something, or your computer. But you can also go to all apps here, and it'll just give you a different drop-down menu. But that's pretty much it. So the so if you click on PowerPoint, it's going to open up, and you're pretty much going to have a full working version of the PowerPoint. You may not be able to use some functions, but I find that the functions that are working are typical for most students in regards to creating a design or whatever. So you can just click on one of these designs here, and it's as simple as that. It's a full working version. So let me know what you think about in the comments below. And hey, if you had COVID, share your thoughts about that too, because it's a pretty nasty beast. But anyways, thanks for watching, and please share, like, subscribe. All right, have a great day, everyone.